Hello traders, this is Dr. Sharif from Dr. Trading Academy. For those who don't know me, my name is Sharif and I trade crypto since 2015. I'm a specialist and researcher in GAN methods of trading. For those who don't know GAN, you just type GAN in the search bar of any browser and it will give you a lot of information about WD GAN. So first of all, let me apologize for my thick accent. As you know, or as you now realize, I'm not a native speaker, but I'm just here to help. So if you want to support, just give me like, share this analysis with your friends, and of course give me a nice comment. That will be very appreciated, and it will encourage me to post more videos like this. So let's go directly to our analysis of the Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Let me remove some of these for the chart to be clear. Okay, so for those who following me on Twitter, of course, you'll find the link below in the description. I had an analysis of 3rd of May as the beginning of the bearish wave of the correction on the crypto market, on the Bitcoin. Of course, all the crypto market is following the Bitcoin, so you have always to start analyzing the Bitcoin first, so it will give you a general information about the whole market. So after the success of the 3rd of May for the beginning of the bearish wave, I think at the end of June we posted another video expecting a bullish wave at the end of the July, and it went very good till now. So let's update this structure. Let's update this map for the Bitcoin, and of course you know that the chart, any chart, not only the Bitcoin, the chart has two sides. It's the price side, which is here. It gives you the price of the asset, whether it's a Bitcoin or whatever it is, and you have also here this axis. It's the time axis. So the chart has two axes: the price axis, the time axis. So if you are missing any one of those axes, you are missing the half of the equation for the success of analysis. So if you are following me, or if this the first video, I go for the analysis of the price, also for the analysis of the time. So I analyze the price and the time. So to be very clear, we will talk first about the price, about the supports and resistance, whatever we are going to talk about, and then we will go to the time analysis. So first of all, we have this area, the area between 52 and 54k. So this is a mighty resistance. So you have to take care about this area. Again, for those who are following me, we previously decided this area as a very tough resistance, and if we broke this area, we will go directly to the 52, and that's what happened already. After this candle, I just wrote on my Twitter that this is a very clear break of this support, this resistance area, and we are going directly to the 52. And fortunately, today we got the 52. The highest price here is 52 and a couple of dollars. Okay, so for now I'm expecting this area to be a very tough resistance in the way of the Bitcoin, and we most probably gonna see some retracement, some downside from this area, especially if we find something like this, and I'm expecting something like this, something like small and push up like this gives me something like a rising wedge or something like that in this area. This will confirm my analysis of this area to be a bearish side from here. Okay, so you have to take care of this area. What to do? Just protect your positions by break-even stop loss. Just take some of your profits. It's a long journey, and for this long journey you have to take a lot of profits with every step, so you can continue to the upside. Of course, I'm talking about trading, not investing. Investing is another story. Okay, so what if this bearish scenario occurs? I will be searching for another continuation for this uptrend at those area. Of course, the previous area of 43 to 44.5, this is also will be a good support. So if you already know the alternation between support and resistance, the resistance becomes a support and the support becomes a resistance. This is something like this. This previously was a resistance. Now it can become a support if we retraced to those areas. And the next area I'll be watching if we broke this area, the area between 34.7 and 36. This also is a very powerful support. Of course, I detect those areas according to GAN methods of trading. Okay, so what if this bullish scenario fail and we see a break to this area? So this will be a confirmation to the upside. Of course, I'm searching now for some retracement, some pullback, so I can continue and break this top. I'm expecting to break this top soon. That's for the price analysis. Let's go to the time analysis. And from my point of view, if you're already following me from I think June, I already detected the 18th of October as the beginning of the bullish wave for the Bitcoin. This was the primary time for me, and the secondary time for me was the end of July, and we already got the end of July very well. And now I'm waiting for the 18th of October, that from the big cycle on the Bitcoin. So for the small cycle or the small time cycle on the Bitcoin, I can see that the 18th of September will be a good date, or you can see a pivot point for some correction to the downside. So I'm watching the 18th of September to be a corrective or to be a down side, so I can take another chance to enter the market. Now I'm protecting all of my positions. All of them has a stop loss on the entry, and of course I gained some of my profits from this previous move. Okay, so what to expect? Again, 18th of September will be my alarm to search for the downside. And if this happen, let's say again, for the small cycle, I have the 12th of October. 12th October, this is a good date to search for the upside or the continuation for the uptrend. Of course, if you mix this small cycle with the large cycle on the Bitcoin, you'll find that we have what we called time cluster between 12 and 18 October. That's about 6 days that you have to search for some upside you have to search for the setup that will give you a confirmation for the upside. So what if, and that's maybe 2 steps ahead. Now I'm talking about what if this happen, what if we reached one of those areas, either this one or this one, in that time. That will be, as I think, will be the perfect trade if we reached those area, the area of 43 to the 44.5 at those dates, or we reached the area of 34.7 or 36 at those times. So that will be the cluster of price and time. Of course, I'm trying to give you clear information. I don't want to give you some tough information about GAN methods and squaring and whatever, squaring of time and price, and I don't want to talk about this. I want this to be clear for everyone, not only people interested in GAN. So I'm here to let you make some money, and I'll be very happy for that. So again, those area, this is the very tough resistance, those are the supports area, and we have 2 pivot points. The 18th of September is the time for the downside. The 12 to 18 of October is the dates that I will be searching for the upside again. Okay, so one thing also I want to tell you, that you have to take care of September, the month of September, because the history of Bitcoin in September is not the very good one. And if you already read about GAN and his books, GAN stated by the name that September has a bearish bias. Okay, so you have to take care of September. September is a very tough month for trading. Of course, if you are an investor in crypto, I think you have to take some of your profits, but September you have to take care of it. So let me show you how the history can repeat, and let's go to the monthly frame and see what September do to the crypto market or to the Bitcoin. Okay, let's go back here. Where is the last September? That was here, this one, this candle, the red candle. As you can see, we have some retracement, I think about 20% retracement on the Bitcoin. That's very much on the alt. So let's go back to the other September. Here, September also, we got something like 30% retracement to the downside. Okay, again, where is the September? Here again, a red candle. Okay, red candle about again 20%. And the last September, this one was only red candle in this green marathon. This green marathon to the 17 or to the 20, this was the only red candle. Where this red candle was about 40%, and it was in September. So you have to take care of this month. This month is very dangerous. So and of course, by reaching the Bitcoin to those areas, those tough resistance, this will give you more confirmation about how hard it will be to trade through this month. So nowadays I'm very conservative about my positions. I will always protect them. Once they are in profits, I take some of my profits and put my stop loss at the entry. So I don't waste any of my profits. And if it breaks, of course, I'll be gaining more and more of my profits. Protecting your position is one of the most important things you have to learn to do. That's all for the Bitcoin, about the price and the time. Please let me know if you like those ideas. Please let me know if you want more of this. Please let me know if this was helpful. I'll be very appreciated for your comments, for your sharing, for your kind words. That's all. That was Sharif from Dr. Trading Academy.